We're doing an eyebrow tutorial today. It's one of my favorite steps in makeup. You don't need to spend a lot of money for brows. You can go Drugstore, Morphe, and L'Oreal. This is one of my favorite combos. I prefer a skinny pencil. My eyebrows are on the thinner side. If you have thicker brows, I do recommend getting a brow pencil that's kind of cut on an angle. It's a little bit, we're gonna do Drugstore today. If you want like what I use that's like a little bit more high end, I can definitely do that, but let's focus on this. I feel like this is affordable. I will tag the products below. So they should kind of resemble each other, but they're not gonna be identical. So now by combing up, I see here, I got a little bald spot there. I always have a bald spot there. I'm gonna take my pencil. I'm gonna start off under here, and I like to outline my eyebrows first. I like to outline my eyebrows first. I start at the bottom and I do little short strokes. Then I'm gonna continue it and I'm gonna connect this part here that's a little bit like kind of bald or whatever. And I'm gonna go down. Simple. I'm gonna take that same pencil and I'm gonna feather up. And I'm kind of going like, I'm not going right next to each other. I'm taking little spaces in between, and there's a reason for that. I'm gonna take my spoolie on the other end and I'm gonna just pull up. By doing that, that is blending everything in. I need to close my window. I'm gonna just go from the tail and start building my brow over here. I don't want anything heavy in the front. I'm just gonna fill in very lightly. You don't wanna hold the pencil up here and you don't wanna hold it too strong. You're gonna put too much product. It's gonna be very harsh. It's okay if it's not perfect. Again, we're gonna flip the spoolie over and blend everything. Take my finger, just kind of blend through like this. I like to clean up with my finger. You can do concealer if you want. That's gonna give it more of like a nice defined shape. Go for it. Then I'm gonna take the brow gel. This is the Brow Laminate from L'Oreal. This is one of my favorite ones out there. It doesn't leave your eyebrows crunchy. It really does lift. I remove the excess and I do like the little, like the mascara one that's with it. And what I like to do is I will start kind of back here and go up. So this is where the magic happens, and the gel and the brush together really kind of make the hairs stay in place and gives that really beautiful like fuller brow look. I'm gonna go back with my spoolie. Now you can go slow here, and this really lays the brows in place. Now we don't want the brows looking that feathery, so we're just gonna take this and kind of go around the shape of the outside of the brow. And that's gonna hold that in place. So now the difference is this eyebrow is fuller. It looks more feathery. The brows going up give the illusion of a fuller, especially on the tail, versus this one. And this is my good brow, by the way. So there you go.